The Isovac comes with instructions for use, 3 control heads, and accessories. You get 3 control heads, so it's always ready when you need it. 1 on the chair, 1 in the autoclave, and 1 ready for your next appointment. For some dental units, a connector may be required for installation. To find the correct connector, consult the instructions for use. To install, remove the existing valve from the HVE coupler. Take the Isovac 2 control head and attach it directly to the HVE coupler and press firmly in place. To install, remove the existing valve. Attach the ADEC adapter onto the HVE connector. Attach the Isovac 2 to the ADEC adapter. To install, remove the existing valve. Attach the Pelton and Crane style adapter onto the HVE hose. Attach the Isovac 2 to the Pelton and Crane adapter. Testing the Isovac control head. Test the dual action levers to confirm suction.